We are live at the office of BookItGO Travel, and we hope everyone had a wonderful holiday weekend. We want to send a special safe travels message to our clients who are currently on spring break vacation. We are here tonight to do our March giveaway drawing, but first we want to wish everyone celebrating a birthday this month in April a happy birthday. Hence the tiara. I'm also celebrating a birthday this month, so I'm getting very excited. And as everyone should know in the StampChasers group, we did our annual family and friends trip. And this year we were sailing aboard the Crown Princess ship. So the giveaway for this month, March birthday giveaways, is actually going to be a commemorative item, which are 6 shot glasses from Princess Cruises. They come in different colors: amber, blue, red. We have green and clear, so a box of 6. For the month of March birthdays, we had 3 entries. So we had 3 people go on the last video and put their birthdates there. So we're gonna see who's entered into the drawing for the giveaway. And the first guest or stamp chaser is Krista W., birth date 3/24. Next person, Judy J., birth date 3/3. Then last but not least, we have Patricia M., birth date 3/30. So these 3 chasers are going to be entered into the March birthday giveaway for the commemorative princess shot glasses. So here we go. Let's see what we have. Drum roll. And the lucky guest is Judy J., birth date 3/3. So congratulations, Judy J. You're going to receive the commemorative shot glasses from Princess Cruises, which are very neat. And again, to be entered into the April birthday month giveaway, all you have to do is be a member of Stamp Chasers and be celebrating your birthday this month. So we welcome everyone to enter into this drawing so we can send you well wishes and birthday greetings. So we hope everyone enjoys the rest of their work week, and yeah, we're always here for that memorable vacation. So give us a buzz as well, and have a great rest of your week.